We have breaking confirmation about Tesla Giga Berlin's final approval and manufacturing start. Tesla Giga Berlin may start manufacturing cars for sale and delivering cars, says Ministry of Environment. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla coverage. I'm going to bring you some details about what's going to likely happen tomorrow at Tesla Giga Berlin. Elon Musk is on his way to Tesla Giga Berlin. Report German sources, his plane is flying to Berlin area, and tomorrow there will be the delivery and handovers of first cars. Tesla Giga Berlin could start production and deliveries of its made in Germany Model Y cars. Brandenburg's Environment Ministry has confirmed and said. So this confirms my Saturday report about Tesla Giga Berlin's final operating permit. Now, this was the significant event that actually launched the factory. According to the state government of Brandenburg, Tesla's electric vehicle factory Giga Berlin can start operations as planned. Here's a quote from Frau Zelt, spokeswoman for the Ministry of Environment. She said, "We currently have no information that would prevent it from being put into operation." Frau Zelt, spokeswoman for the Ministry of Environment, said on Saturday actually, although Tesla received permission to start production at the Giga Berlin Factory and produce 500,000 vehicles per year on March 4th, but that was the environmental approval. Tesla also needed the operating approval. The company had to comply with the requirements and conditions with the relevant authorities before it could begin production and delivery of its electric vehicles, namely Model Y. However, the ministry indicated that not all requirements had to be met for the commissioning of parts of the system of Giga Berlin, because not all of the approximately 400 permit requirements and conditions apply to all parts of the factory. After 2 weeks, the ministry's checks have been completed and Giga Berlin can now start production and delivery. This is good because when on March 4th we learned that Tesla had to comply with 400 permit requirements and conditions, we were wondering how can Tesla do that in 2 weeks, and we didn't know the scale of those requirements. But Tesla said we will do it. So it appears that not all those 400s apply to the entire system of Giga Berlin, and Giga Berlin's final operating permit was not conditioned by all of those 400. So the handover ceremony for the first vehicles will take place on March 22nd, tomorrow at Giga Berlin. Many politicians are expected to be present for the official opening of the first Tesla electric vehicle factory in Europe on Tuesday, including Chancellor Olaf Scholz, as I reported Saturday, and Federal Economy Minister Robert Habeck. In addition, Tesla CEO Elon Musk wants to personally hand the first cars to customers. And like I've asked before, guys, if you know anyone or if you are one of those people to receive his or her first Model Y from Giga Berlin, please let us know, contact us. I would greatly appreciate. We would like to interview you and know more about you and more hear about the details. And if you guys are going to be in Giga Berlin tomorrow, please send me some pictures or videos. I would greatly appreciate it. So the event of Tesla Giga Berlin's final, the first Model Y handovers will also be joined by Brandenburg Prime Minister Dietmar Woidke, Brandenburg Minister of Economy Jörg Steinbach, longtime Tesla supporter, big supporter of Giga Berlin, and Brandenburg Minister of Environment Axel Vogel. Indeed, very interesting and exciting for Giga Berlin. Now, in addition, like I said, the one important thing that I'm going to say here is that the water issue that was a big issue with Giga Berlin is also currently solved. The water supply for the new Tesla Giga Berlin plant is secured, not for the second phase, not for the battery factory, but it's secured for the phase 1 so that Tesla Giga Berlin can start production and sale of cars. The supply contract of the Water Association Strasbourg Ordinance remains in place and isn't going to change. This was announced late last week, and So that with the toleration of water pumping around 3.8 million cubic meters per year for the agar store water works, the association could enable the drinking water supply for the population and first phase of expansion stage of Tesla Giga Berlin for 2022. Until 2023 and battery factory in the second phase, the water association can probably try to do things to bring water from remote areas of Germany or, maybe Poland, which is next door. I don't know what the water situation is in Poland. The contract provides for the delivery of 1.8 million cubic meters per year for the car maker. The German Chancellor Olaf Scholz, like I said, will officially open Giga Berlin tomorrow, according to Tesmanian.com, and I'm looking forward to seeing the Model Y specs from Giga Berlin. Tomorrow we will know more about this, seeing the first customers take deliveries and seeing how fast Tesla can ramp up production. Now, here are a couple of questions. Maybe we can discuss them, friends. But please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news, because tomorrow I'm going to bring a lot of information from Tesla Giga Berlin. Is Giga Berlin really going to open this week? Do you finally believe that? What will the specs be on the Model Y from Giga Berlin? Will Tesla be able to stop exporting from Giga Shanghai now? Do you think Giga Shanghai cars will still come to Giga Berlin, to Berlin area, or they will stop? I don't know, but we're going to take a look at this. I would like to hear more from you. And another interesting Tesla news is that, as we reported last week, Tesla CEO Elon Musk announced that he is working on Master Plan Part 3. So what is important on that? Master Plan Part 1 and Part 2 were very important pieces for literature in Tesla's history that laid out its plan to achieve its mission through a rough product roadmap and technologies to focus on. While not without stumbling, Tesla has progressed through those plans quite nicely, and it is now arriving toward the end of Part 2, hence why Elon Musk announced the upcoming release of Part 3. Since the announcement, Tesla fans have been speculating about what could be included in the next part for the Tesla's master plan. Now Musk took to Twitter this morning to announce that the main subject is going to be scaling Tesla to extreme size. Here's what Musk said. Main Tesla subjects will be scaling to extreme size, which is needed to shift humanity away from fossil fuels and AI. Away from AI or to AI? If the humanity is going to be shifted away from AI, it's good, because I personally think AI is very dangerous. What about you? I think Elon Musk has also spoken about this, that AI is very dangerous. But Musk's new plan is likely going to go into more details about how to scale manufacturing and supply chain to these levels, especially amid extremely difficult global supply issues. Interestingly, Musk also added that the Master Plan Part 3 will include sections about SpaceX and the Boring Company along with Tesla. Here's what he said. He said, but I will also include sections about SpaceX, Tesla, and Boring Company. So we'll look for that, friends. Let's see how things go. This is Armen Harayan from TalkNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage. Have a blessed day. God bless everyone. Peace be to you and to the world. And let's continue the discussion in the comment section below. See you soon.